Ay, kagigising lang ng aming baby. Naku, talaga naman happy-happy. Naku, talaga naman napaka-happy naman ng baby. Hi! Say hi. Hi, guys! Hi! Hi, guys! Can you smile? Like this is smile. Can you smile, ate? Smile. EJ, how about you? Oh, good job. Good job ang baby. Hi, guys! Opo. Opo, masaya ang baby. Naku, talaga naman. Dugs. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Masaya naman. Saya-saya naman ang baby ko. I love you, baby. I love you. Ang sarap naman ang tawa. Sarap naman ang tawa mo, baby. Love you. Love you, ate.
Love you.
What's the smell? I love you, ate and EJ. Mwah.
Ouch.
Ay, ate yan eh. Love, love, love yan. Ate yan. Daw. Dugs. What? What do you want? Toy agad talaga naman. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Ayaw mo na nakugong takpan.
Mami, love mo ako?
Of course, I love you so much. You are my baby girl. You are my forever baby girl.
How about the angel?
Of course, I love baby Angel and I love you.
Birthday niya.
December 3.
Oh, December 3.
And then, my birthday is December 7. How about you? What is your birthday?
January 6, 2016.
Very good. How about EJ?
October 21.
20.
Sabi ni Daddy, 20.
20 lang. October 20. 20. 2023.
2010. Eh, di mas matanda na mas si EJ no?
Teret. Dugs. Uy,